UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has stepped in and ordered immediate action into the racism allegations by former cricketer Azeem Rafiq after his testimony to Digital Culture, Media and Sport Committee in Parliament about institutional racism prevalent at the cricket club. Boris Johnson said that there is no excuse for racism anywhere in society, and we expect England Cricket and Yorkshire Cricket Club to take immediate action in response to these allegations. Azeem Rafiq, a former cricketer with the Yorkshire club, accused several cricketers, including the former England coach, of being a closet racist. David Lloyd then took to Twitter to apologize for his disparaging comments. Karishma Singh joins us on the phone line. Karishma, Azeem Rafiq's testimony drew a lot of attention since he spelled it out without mincing words of what he went through, his entire ordeal facing racism. Following that, some sort of apology, sympathizing with him, it seems has come through so far. What can you tell us about the reactions to his testimony that we have so far?
Well, Afrida, for starters, David Lloyd has come out and apologized. In fact, Rafiq had accused him of being a closet racist who would use his position of being a world-standing analyst to smear him. Lloyd's position also now as a commentator is in jeopardy. In fact, David Lloyd has apologized after, Rafiq said that he was a closet racist, and the entire controversy has in fact now gotten the PM as well involved. Boris Johnson has said that there is no place for racism in the country or anywhere in the world, and that this needs to be investigated as soon as possible. In fact, David Lloyd has even said in his apology to Azeem Rafiq that he has made certain comments about the Asian cricket community, and he regrets that, and he will work towards making cricket a more inclusive sport. We will have to wait and see that after the PM also getting involved, Boris Johnson, what kind of result comes out of the investigation that is going to go into this entire controversy in the Yorkshire Cricket Club. Remember, Cheteshwar Pujara was also dragged into this when he was called Steve by Shane Warne back in 2020. Yes. So racism is quite in-depth as far as Yorkshire is concerned, and we will, like I said, wait and see what are the results of the investigation that are going to now happen in this entire matter.
All right. The former coach has tendered an apology. The UK PM Boris Johnson has also reacted, saying there is no place for racism in their country. Thanks for joining us, Karishma.